My home, a room by room adventure. Hi everyone, I'm the host. Hi, I live in a big house and today we're going to explore my home room by room. Are you ready? Let's go. Come on in. Whoa, this is the kitchen. We cook food in the kitchen. Can you point to the stove? Can you touch the colorful utensils? It's so fun to make yummy food in the kitchen. Now let's go to my favorite place in the house, my bedroom. Oh, this is my bed. We sleep in the bed. Can you touch your pillow? My teddy bear and I love to hug in the bedroom. Can you hug your teddy? We also play in the bedroom. Can you find your toys? Great job. Now let's go to the living room. This is the living room. We relax and read in the living room. Can you sit like me on the sofa? We watch TV in the living room. Can you turn on the TV? We read books in the living room. Can you pretend to read a book? What's your favorite room in the house? My favorite room is the living room because we have so much fun here. Now it's time to go back to the kitchen. Let's stir a pot. Can you help me stir? Stir, stir. Now, let's go to the bedroom. Let's hug our teddy bears. Can you give him a big hug? Teddy loves when I read to him in the bedroom. Now let's go to the living room. Let's turn the pages of this book together. Can you turn the page? You're doing great. One more page. Good job. Can you find the kitchen? Can you find your bed? Can you find your favorite room? Great job. It's time to say goodbye. I'll be waving from the doorway.